Hi everyone, my name is Crystal Lewis and my company is Black Unicorn Merchandising. If you follow me on social media, you are seeing a lot of posts from me right now on my new workshop series, Elevate Your Fashion Career. I was talking to a dear friend about it last night, and I just realized that in my excitement to promote the event, I haven't really done my job to explain the overall mission of the workshop series, as well as Black Unicorn's mission at large. So allow me to do that now. So if you're watching this, you're probably a lot like me, someone with a passion for the fashion industry, but maybe feeling a little bit lost. So let me tell you something, I've been there. After 17 years of working in the industry, working with top brands that probably you've heard of or maybe even be wearing right now, I've definitely learned a thing or two. But my journey started off just like yours, with a dream and a lot of questions. I cannot tell you how many times I tried and failed to start a clothing line. And only after 10 years of trial and error did I realize that the fun for me wasn't actually in owning my own clothing line, but the entire design process. I loved coming up with a concept, having that concept sampled, and then eventually being able to walk into a store full of the things that I helped make. That's eventually what led me to Black Unicorn Merchandising. To be the guide I wish that I had when I was starting out. Whether you're struggling to find a manufacturer or feeling overwhelmed about the process, I'm here to help. Our team is here to make your vision a reality. From sketches to samples, we've got you covered. But not everyone is in a position to hire a product developer to help make their dream come true. So that's exactly why Black Unicorn Merchandising is taking our skills and taking our network to you. The Elevate Your Fashion Career Workshop Series is my way of helping young designers and aspiring brand owners get to the finish line faster, to avoid the headaches and the heartaches I went through starting out. I can't wait to see what we'll create together. So that's it in a nutshell. If you're interested in learning some more information about the workshop series Elevate Your Fashion Career, head over to blackunicornmerch.com for more information. I truly can't wait to meet you and build something amazing together. And until then, best of luck in everything you do, and see you next time. Bye!